just as last time we spoke, I'm going to try to summarize that in simple ways, and please correct me if I'm wrong. I want to keep this, or at least grab the technical as well as I understand it, and then simplify it. So the first one was about what fruit was or what food was the first one?
Well, in the postdoc, are you talking about the postdoc
Yeah,
or
the storage,
the
the
storage,
storage of food.
all kind of subtropical fruits? I would
Okay.
say, the Lucknow work was mainly focusing on mango and guava, while
Mhm.
the Israel work was on avocado, lychee, sometimes banana,
Right.
and also dates. Not really, but it was just kind of a training program.
Hmm.
The third project in Italy was more towards nectarine and peaches, while the
Hmm.
French one was on apples, and the
Right.
Canadian one was on Christmas trees.
Right. So in the case of all of those, they were all basically the um, the preservation and storage to increase shelf life. Because I guess even needle drop, even though that's, people aren't eating Christmas trees, it is still about essentially extending the effective shelf life before the needles fall off. Is that correct?
Exactly, exactly. Though
Okay.
the people are not eating Christmas tree, but that's a significant factor since the trees are harvested somewhere in the autumn in October,
Hmm.
and how best for the export market purpose, uh, it was a big challenge for the Canadian Christmas tree growers. While
Right.
for the home purpose, it shouldn't be a problem if you just cut at the advent of the Christmas season somewhere in the first week of December, that should hold good. But only for the export market, it was a big challenge. And
Right.
further, many of the people or the citizens were going for the artificial trees. You know, so this was also a threat to the Christmas Tree Growers Association because they wanted to, upkeep that Canadian tradition of
Hmm.
keeping the balsam Christmas tree because you get the essence of Christmas with the terpenes that is being evolved by the Christmas tree when they're
Yeah,
kept on the
they
plant.
they unlike the other Christmas trees until, and they may do this, but until they actually start putting artificial aromatics into the trees or on the coating plastic trees with that, yeah, it smells like Christmas. It doesn't just look like Christmas.
Exactly.
So I want to do a quick summary of the you were talking about the spectroscopy, yeah?
Spectroscopy.